Looks like a volcano.
Yeah! It was just bump out and eat it. Special Jello. It's like hot. It's like hot.
It looks like hot.
Yeah. It's like hot, so I can't eat it. Let's sit down.
What'd you guys do today? Cool. And then what'd you do?
How are you? It's hard to tell when you have food in your mouth.
That's right.
Me. I didn't want to gymboree. Is it? What is it?
Did you go gymboree today?
No.
You didn't? Why not?
Well, this is a different day.
Tuesday, you went to gym. Oh, today's Wednesday. You're right. You didn't go to gymboree today.
No, yes. So it's not gymboree day. That's why.
So what did you do then?
I went to. I ride my bicycle.
Cool. What else did you do?
Look at this.
Wow.
It's like a monkey. It's like a roly-poly.
It looks like roly-poly.
Jello.
But don't forget how Jello.
Don't touch Harrison's, Camille. Leave his alone.
I don't see it.
Don't touch it.
I don't see it.
Camille.
I don't see
One.
it. I don't see it.
Thank you.
It's nice.
Finish eating it, buddy. Please.
So what's the good news about Jupiter?
There's no good news. There's no good news because there's rain there.
Well, there's not rain.
Thunder? But thunder makes rain.
Ay, ay, ay. Lightning makes thunder, but lightning and thunder doesn't... Water makes rain. I guess. Aren't you happy at least to know that there's thunder?
Tell me what you told me.
That I asked a scientist if there's thunder on Jupiter, and the scientist said yes. You were right.
I was right.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm the scientist now. Because I'm gonna, when I'm this old, 4 years old, then I'm gonna make, I also know how to make Jupiter and all the planets.
How to make Jupiter and all the planets?
Did you draw them?
Well, I'm gonna paint them.
Oh, I see.
Oh, you want to... What are you drawing?
Jupiter is a circle.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, Camille.
What's easy?
Cucumbers. Daddy's favorite.
Harrison, what color is a cucumber? Well, it's green. What if you turn off all the lights and it's totally dark, is it still green?
It's black. It's dark green.
It's dark green.
He said it's dark green.
Right.
You
I'm going to turn the light on. It's like